Sam here, the founder and director of Genuine Futures. Joining me today is Chris Murray, the founder and director of Spray It.
Hi guys.
Along with David Morgan, founder and director of Entrepreneurs Unlocked.
How you doing?
What a fantastic morning it's been this morning, hasn't it, Chris?
Yeah, it's been really good. Great turnout, yeah.
So what's the purpose of this morning, Chris, here at Spray It?
So I guess it's just an open day, just getting down, local sprays that we've trained, local customers to our paint shop as well, networking. So it's been really good.
I've had some amazing conversations with Tarek from Rosendale Council, with Django and David Morgan as well.
Yeah, great.
But the collaboration between us all, between Genuine Futures, Entrepreneurs Unlocked, how we can help prisoners to live crime-free lives and get them out cleaning and spraying roofs and giving them new opportunities and, getting them out there to, channeling that energy they've got.
Giving back,
Giving them opportunities to get into the community. David, how do you think of it all?
I think it's really good because what you find is that the guys and the people we work with in prison, they've got the skills and the talents, but they need the help and support. So, working with ourselves to give them information about becoming self-employed. You can earn some good money, working for yourself, doing your spraying in the houses and the kitchens, and using Sam and his sort of mentoring and sales skills, to give the guys a wraparound support. So we're really pleased to say that we can work with Spray It, get some sort of training provided, we can provide some equipment, with a view we can get some guys set up, having their own little around, earning a good income to reduce their risk of reoffending and save the country money as well. But at the end of the day, giving that person that opportunity that they can earn some money and a good living through a really supported sort of program, and we're really excited to be part of this collaboration.
It is amazing, Chris, and just let the audience know what's the earning potential of somebody doing some spraying.
I mean, I guess generally we sort of say starting from sort of 30 to 35k a year. It depends on how fast you want to scale it and how big you want to sort of grow it. I started the company 6 years ago, out myself on the road, literally just myself in a van with a labourer, and I've grown it. There's lads here like we can see there, Kane from Away We Spray, came and did his training 2 years ago. He's got 3 vehicles out, so I guess you can take it as big as you want, really.
Yeah, so that's really good, isn't it? We talked the other day in the prisons, what's the most you can earn working for yourself? 10 grand, 20 grand, and it's unlimited.
Yeah. Exactly.
You can do as much as you wish to do, in terms of your earnings. But 35k is a nice sort of decent living for someone who's been in custody. And getting like £9.50 a week, so having that earning so they can, buy some food, rent a property, see their family, it just moves them on that right pathway, doesn't it?
I guess the beauty about what we're doing as well is, it's a 5-day course. The initial cost is very low as well, so it's something that we can get moving sort of straight away as well. So I guess for me that's one of the biggest sort of positives, really, I guess.
Fantastic.
And just finally though as well, we've actually now working together for the Clean It. So we can not only just spray roofs and repaint UPVC and increase the value of the property, but we've got a sponsor. Spray It is now sponsoring, and Entrepreneurs Unlocked are sponsoring our first pop-up car wash on Tuesday. And we're looking to get a mobile cleaning unit, a Clean It unit on the road to support Spray It, and in terms of their opportunities of how they can expand and grow, because we know across our communities there's roofs that need cleaning, there's doors that need respraying, so together we're creating more opportunities now.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Really great. We're looking forward to it.
Yeah, so we'll see you. Look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.
Looking forward to it too.
Fantastic, Phil.
Nice one, fellas.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Bye from me.